welcome to another maths class. Today we'll be talking about multiplication of fractions. We've done addition of fraction, subtraction of fractions. Today, in multiplication of fraction, there's just a rule. And what's the rule? We multiply the numerators, by numerators, and then the denominators by denominators. That's how the rule is. For instance, if you have a fraction 5/8, and then we are asked to multiply it by 3/6. What do? We multiply the numerator by the numerator, 5 times 3, and then we multiply the denominator by the denominator, 8 times 6. What do we have? We have 15/48. As simple as that. If we have a fraction like, let's say, 2/3 multiplied by 12. What do? 12 is an integer, is same as 2/3 times 12/1. That will give us 2 times 12/3 times 1, and that's 24/3, which is same as 8. So multiplication of fractions just demands that we multiply the numerator by the numerator, the denominator by denominator. We can do another example. For instance, maybe a third example, we have something like 15/24 multiplied by 3/8. This will give us 15 times 3/24 times 8. Now, we could start cutting through the divisions this way, or at best, we can say 3 here 1, 3 here 8, and that will give us 15 times 1, 15, and then 8 times 8, 64. The next one we'll be going into will be division of fractions. Division of fraction. Division of fraction. Division of fraction, the rule here is that when we are dividing in fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. We multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction we are dividing by. For instance, if we have something like we have 3/4 divided by 2/8. Multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. We want to divide by this, so we are going to multiply 3/4 multiplied by 8/2. That will give us 3 times 8/4 times 2. So we can either say is equal to 24/8, which is 3. We can either do it this way, or we do it this way, 3 times 8/4 times 2. We say 2 here, 4 here 1, 4 in 8, 2, 2 we cut 2, and we still have 3. We can either do any of the method. Let's consider another example. We say 4/5 divided by 2/7. The rule is multiply by the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 2/7? That's 7/2. So we leave 4/5 And what do we have? 4 times 7 over 5 times 2. And that will give us, what will that give us? That will be 28 over 10. We can, or we do it this way. We say 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. That's 14 over 5. This will give us the same result. 2 here, 5. 2 here, 14. 14 over 5. With this example, let's take division with an integer in which both of them are not fractions. Let's say for instance we have 12 divided by 3 over 4. When we have this, what does it mean? We have 12 over 1 multiplied by the reciprocal 4 over 3. That's 12 times 4 over 1 times 3. So we can say 3 here 1, 3 here 4. 4 times 4, 16 over 1. This gives us 16. So with this, we have come to the end of fraction. We've done addition, we've done subtraction, we have also done multiplication, and lastly, division. I want to believe you add value for the time spent here. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.